Alright, it's kind of hot out here today. I got the D19 and this old bush hog hooked up. Started mowing this patch. I want to move them combines. I want to get rid of that one and put that one over there. Leave it out here in the field for decoration. Well, anyhow, I got the 19 here. It quit on me. Here comes a big truck. Must hold something. Alright, anyhow. All these tractors I got people asked about them, and I said, well, they're all good running tractors. You might have to put a battery and some gas in them, and you could go out and do out in the field and use them. But you might get to the other end of the field and have to stop and clean some dirt out of the carburetor or something other. And well, the carburetor didn't plug up on this one, but the gas tank plugged up, see? Alright, show you what I'm gonna do. Come on, get there. Well, that looks like the general direction. That is plastic hose. Well, that didn't seal. That didn't work at all. I need a smaller hose. Alright, back again. Got a smaller hose. See if that'll work. Open it up. Hey, it works. Now I'll keep that hose with me. Alright. Got it running again. See what happens. More dirt. Well, go get the truck. Well, I only got halfway around the field this time, and it quit on me again. I gave up and had to take it all apart. And the fuel jet's about half plugged up. Getting the dirt out of it. It's clean there now. I gotta clean that out. Float's kind of questionable. It probably ain't got real floating abilities. Anyhow, I had a hard time getting it off. Had a little tiny bolt on top of this throttle linkage. Couldn't turn it. So I finally, I'm over here. Had a gallon of water on the back of the truck. Took one of them old towels. Covered the carburetor up and everything. It had pretty well evaporated out. Soaked it all down with water. Fired up my cutting torch, got in the back of there and heated that nut up on that bolt just a little. And I got it apart. So now we'll fix it and put it back together. Alright, that's enough for now. Well, something plugged up again. I might as well take this thing back to the barn and get the little tractor. Yeah, that's a good way to drain the fuel out. Running out real good right there. Only thing I gotta keep an eye on it, because I got more than probably close to 10 gallon in it. Well, look at here. Some rust and sediment there. The bowl's catching it. But the sediment bowl catches it before it gets in the sediment bowl too. And I think I got it clean enough downstream. We'll just get this out, take that part out, put a screen in the top to catch the dirt, and should be good then. Looky there. It's kind of hard to believe this thing was at a John Deere store one time. Somebody must have traded it in for one of them big green ones. Oh well, it's a good thing they did. Now I got it. Well, I got the sediment bowl off. Had to take the side frame off to get enough room to turn it, to get it off. And it's nice and clean now. And I'll show you how to clean out the inside of the gas tanks when they're not too terrible severe, just aggravating. Had built me a platform. Anyhow, stick my air hose down in there, and I do that a while, and let's see. Nothing in there but fog. Well, let the smoke settle. We'll see what we got. Yeah, I try to use this thing. It don't seem to help much. I used that, I couldn't see anything there, but I looked down here. Oh, I still can't see nothing, but anyhow, with that little light on the end, you can see just a little rust, some specks laying over there, but nothing to mount anything. Probably when I cleaned it out in the field the last time, that was probably the last of the dirt. And it probably doesn't have to do all this, but we'll be for sure now. I'll give it another shot of air and put it back together. Well, when you blow the air in there, it moves everything around real good, and everything's got to go out through that little hole down there at the bottom where the sediment bowl goes, which I hope it did. Well, we'll put it back together now. Well, then here's something else I do to these things. Got that little piece of aluminum fly screen, rolled it up, stuffed it down in there, And that'll catch most of the dirt for a long time. Alright, time to put it together. Well, tractor's all ready to go back to work. I put it back together yesterday, but I thought I'd better do something a little extra while I had it up here. Like, I put a toolbox on it. And got some tools and hitch pins and different things in there. So that way if it conks out on me, I don't have to walk all the way back and get the truck. And I made a step. A lot easier to get up there now. The green part, I found that someplace. I don't know. It's on a load of junk or off of something else. And weld a piece to it, bolt it on there. Makes it a lot better. So I'm going to start it up, go out there and finish mowing that pasture here after a while. And if I can make it a couple rounds without something falling apart or quitting on me, I'll turn the camera back on and show you how good this thing works. I hope.